from the other side of the fifth floor, I would look through the window and see the Whitney Museum on the other side. And then there were, of course, this was the place they had by Biennale, they had always continuous exhibitions showing what's going on in contemporary art, especially on the New York scene. And this is where I have met so many artists that I happen to run into here from all walks of life. What's happening on the New York art scene? Every single one was an art gallery, both sides, left and right. And this, of course, was Park Burnett. It was called. This is where every week they held the exhibition. And every single store here, all the way down, they were all art galleries. Even one I had exhibited this one week at very early. I showed some of my work here once. And just walk over down here to the Whitney Museum up here. And I got to know the director of the Whitney Museum. And I became a frequent visitor because at this time, early in the 70s, it was a very important period. This was the emergence of the figure, the human figure, figurative work. But what they were showing was photorealism. And then I put the huge big posters and I wrote figurative expressionism and beyond realism. And of course, the influence of abstract expressionism, especially Jackson Pollock, Koenig, and Klein. Another great favorite was Robert Rauschenberg, an artist. And then I thought in the 70s, the logical point would be figurative expressionism. But unfortunately, we have this downturn of events in which I lost the studio, and I had to go somewhere. I actually went once to the west side for a while, then I went down to Soho, and I worked in various places. Then I took the road and decided to travel north, where we held a series of tours near colleges and so on, and I ended up in Atlanta, where I established a new studio and continued working, which was in a way in the middle. It was the deep south, but in the middle between the northeast and something further south, which later on opened up for me the door to Latin America.